Well guys, I thought this was gonna be quick, but no sir. What's up YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna be trying to figure out how to get the fuel tank in 1972 Buick LeSabre. So we're gonna have to, I was looking online, we're gonna have to make these fuel straps longer. Adjust camera. So you see the fuel straps right here? It's looking like they're gonna have to be longer because the tank that came out of a 94, 95 Caprice, it's a little bit thicker than the original. So we're gonna deal with that today. I gotta do some house cleaning around the yard, get all this stuff picked up and cleaned up. First off, I'm gonna go grab me something to eat. Got my door locked. Got this bad boy running. I'm gonna grab something to eat real quick, guys, and then we'll get to work. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. That way you don't miss any videos. See y'all right after the intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright, we got that out the way. Get going. Oh. Little baby got enough money. Little baby got enough money. I need some money. Anyways, hope everybody having a good morning. I got to sleep in just for a little bit. I didn't want to get up like too early and it was still cold outside. Turn that air off, that's probably loud. But yeah, we're just gonna run up here, grab something to eat. And let's see. Got a plan. I'm trying to plan this day out. Really, guys, I got so much stuff I need to do. I ain't gonna be able to do it all today, so we'll probably have to break it down in like 3 videos. But yeah, hopefully we can get the fuel tank in there today. I got a surprise for y'all. Once we get the fuel tank in there, we're gonna go drop it off and get something done to it. So that's gonna be cool. What else? What else is going on? Yeah, that's the main thing. Then we'll get the title paperwork done. I got the title, been having the title. I mean, we'll get all that knocked out, insurance and all that stuff. That way we can start driving it. See y'all when we get over here to grab the food. Truck pulling out. Come on, dude. You good? I'm going in there. Going in there, man. Swing, swing. Man. Get some breakfast burritos real quick. Put some on my stomach. See what they got. Some of y'all probably ain't never heard of this place. It's called Jumburrito. Y'all probably ain't never even heard of this place. But it's kind of like, y'all probably know what Rosie's Cafe is. It's kind of like that, but
Can you put your burrito home with the
more
first burrito with
original.
your large Juby?
No ma'am, can I get the regular bacon and eggs?
Okay.
And a large Coke.
Any hot or mild sauce?
Both?
Is that on for you?
Yes ma'am.
1102, thank you.
Appreciate it. So anyways, yeah, it tastes a little more original. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah, we'll grab these burritos, we'll get back to the house, get some measurements. I'm probably just gonna put the fuel tank up there, like with the jack, and then put the straps around it just to get an idea of how much longer we need to go. Or it might work. I mean, I don't know yet. I mean, we just gotta find out. But if that works, we'll take the inline fuel, not filter. We'll take the inline fuel pump out, and we'll run a real pump in the tank. Well, they're both real pumps, but we'll run a pump in the tank. That way we ain't gotta worry about mounting all that stuff. So hopefully we'll get that knocked out today.
What they talking about? I don't know.
Got my drink, now burritos and receipt, because we got to tax right off everything. All right, here we go. Got our food, got our receipt, got our card. Let's roll out. Man, I'm in a pretty good mood this morning. Who wants to wake up and work though? I'm a workaholic, guys. Like, I work all the time, 24/7. So every now and then I just need a day just to relax, chill. There go one of my homeboys. Yeah. God dang, we ain't gonna never get out of here. I'll turn y'all back on when we get to the house. Okay, we made it back. Oh man. Yeah, let's get this day going. I gotta get all my stuff. All these phones. Wait. I get tired of carrying all this stuff. I had an important phone call, so I had to turn y'all off. But yeah, let me knock out my breakfast. Sorry about that, guys. Let me knock out my breakfast and then we'll get to work.
5 hours later.
I pulled the fuel tank out. Guys, I told y'all I had a lot to do today. Had to go pick up the kiddos. Had to go get that fresh cut. Y'all see that fresh cut? Got fuel just in case the straps do work. Got a mess over here too. That's the El Camino covered up. See, dusty. Sneak peek. Y'all go watch them videos if y'all want to see that car. So anyway, we got, now y'all can see, we got all this done up here, everything covered and protected. So now we're just gonna pull the straps down. I got them zip tied up, and we'll see if this tank will fit. It got super dirty while I had it put up in the backyard. So I don't know, I might paint it, but I'm gonna make sure it fits first.
There's spider webs on it.
Right, Waddy. Yeah. So alright, let me get my creeper and let me get the tank up under there and the straps pulled down. We'll see if it's gonna work. I decided to go ahead and clean the fuel tank off, because if the straps do work, I'm not gonna be taking it all the way back down and all that stuff. So I did brake clean first. Well, wire brush right there. Did wire brush first, brake clean, cleaned all the dirt off. Now we're gonna do a adhesion promoter, which to make the paint stick, because we're not gonna be priming it, and then just some black spray paint. So yeah, I mean, it's just gonna make it look better, guys. And then you ain't gonna be able to get to that no more. I'm not gonna paint the bottom yet until I see if everything fits, but y'all see what's going on. So let's get this stuff laid. Adhesion promoter. It just gets sticky pretty much. It makes paint stick to that plastic, and it smells terrible. I could have wire brushed that part a little bit more, but I just don't want it looking like that. That's how it was looking. There we go. That's enough. That's all you need. We'll let that dry for about 15 minutes. Then we'll put some paint on it. My battery went dead, so we went ahead and laid the second coat, letting that dry up. That's decent. And now we're gonna get ready to cut off the zip ties down there, and we'll get ready to see how this thing's gonna work out. All right, guys, the kids will not give me a break. So, as y'all can see, I got the tank up under there finally. Let me scoot back a little bit so y'all can see. Got the tank up under there. It's looking like the straps are probably not going to fit. I'm gonna put the jack up under here and see how much we're gonna have to modify, and we'll go from there. I gotta go pick up my oldest daughter from school real quick, and then we'll get right back to y'all. I can't get nothing done today. I swear. Well, guys, I thought this was gonna be quick, but no, sir. I think we might make it without modifying the straps, but we're off about, y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. It's crazy up under here. I can't really, y'all see that right there? We're only off like 2 inches or so. So I gotta figure that part out. And we'll probably finish this up tomorrow, guys. I'll work on it a little bit more off camera, but I will let y'all know.